let's get straight to it. How you doing today? Okay. Well, this is where I'm at. 30-acre island for sale. Didn't cost me any money. Didn't cost me any credit. Cost me nothing but my time. You know what I call us guys? Like gold miners. That's what we do. We mine for gold. We mine for diamonds. Things that's right beneath the feet. You know, and it's easy. It's no problem at all. And what I want to show you guys is I want you guys to go through the process with me while I find out the name of the business that I'm working with, just to cross-reference. I mean, I know the name of the business, but I just want to cross-reference and always do your due diligence, you know, because it is such a large deal, and I don't want to be spending my time, neither other individuals' time, while I am not sure. So we're gonna go through. We do have a signed contract. Let's see if we can pull up a little bit of that contract. Might give you a sneak peek. Okay. And boom, here you go. Quick. Joint venture. Where you at? Change it. Yeah. Hey, if you really want to get into that, you're looking for joint venture documents, and you want to do big deals just like this, at least have a shot at it. I call it a moon shot. Some people call it a moon rock. Whatever you like to call it, it's a big deal. And that's what we all searching for, those deals that's going to change our life. If you notice, $1 million will probably change your life. If you're not aware of it, you should be aware of it. So why not swing at the $1 million deals? You know, so I'm going to go through. I'm not even in South Carolina. I'm going through South Carolina. I found South Carolina. I just Googled South Carolina Secretary of State Business Search. I'm putting it up. Now, I have went through the clerk of courts with certain counties in South Carolina. However, I have not went and looked up any businesses, I don't think yet. But and I'm going to be coming out with a map soon, and it'll have a display of each county, pros and cons. I'm not going to say county, I'm going to say state at least, and then I might break it down into the most populated and popular counties to show, you know, which ones cost for getting clerk of court records, which one displays records, which one doesn't, because you'll be surprised, a lot of counties have, and states also have, a very different process in how they deliver or release their information. So I will be coming out with that soon. Be you a part of my joint venture program or my student program, you definitely will receive all your information first, because evidently you love me the most, and you believe in me the most. So I believe in you, and I want to give you everything. So as you see, glance over here again. This contract here, it's not showing up yet. Here we go. Cost me thousands of dollars. Okay, we're gonna go back. Cost me thousands of dollars to create with some of the best real estate attorneys in Florida in general. You know, so you're gonna be given that, and that there alone is worth, you know, a few $1,000, you know, give or take $5,000 easily, you know. So that's something that you'll be given. You can contact me at 904-834-1113 via text message only, because I do all my phone calls on conference call. So therefore, I can communicate with multiple people at one time versus one person, you know, and yeah, it's just a better environment, and it's a beautiful process. So text me, do not call. If you call, more than likely I won't pick up, and if I do happen to pick up, because sometimes my customers have emergencies, and I am a strategy expert when it comes to real estate and also other deals. It's a chance I might pick up, but if I do, and I told you to text me, I might not be happy about it, and it might cost you even more to join my program. I'm just kidding, but I'm not kidding. So let's go through the process. We have a limited amount of time. I have a limited amount of time. You should have a limited amount of time if you value your time. Okay, so let's punch in the name. You guys won't believe it. I actually went through a whole lot of mess trying to communicate with the clerk of courts in reference to this piece of land here, because I mean it is an island, for God's sake, you know, and since it is an island, it's a lot of unknown things about it because it's raw land, you know. So we're getting into it with surveyors and general contractors in the area and the development department as well, to find out, you know, find out exactly as much information as we can. We've been sitting on this contract for a little while. We're backed up with deals. When you joint venture with me, I even bring more deals to you. Sometimes I'm going to just give you a deal, you know. So I would suggest that you actually work with me, unlike a lot of these teachers, gurus, whatever they call themselves. They don't get in the trenches with you. I'm getting in the trenches. I'm going to line you up with realtors. I'm going to line you up with, if that strategy fits your market, I'm going to line you up with real estate attorneys. I have buyers in the majority of the areas, and plus I have tactics and I have tools that I would teach you that would allow for you to gold mine. Because that's what we're doing with gold mining. We're gold mining. We're not gold diggers, we're gold mining. You know. Okay. Let's hurry up. Enough talking. I don't like the way how this thing is searching. It's not really what I like, but let's see here. Maybe we can speed up this process. Let me see something. I actually tried to put in the name against with exact match. Okay, so that's my bad. I'm talking to you guys, and good Lord, there we go. There we go. You see that? Found it. Okay. Good standing. Okay, it's from 2006. Okay. Rock and roll. Let's just see, what do they give us? Okay, so they don't give us, they give us a little bit of information. Not a lot, just the registered agent information. And okay. Let me see. Oh, official documents on file. Organization. Add file name. Effective. No. Nothing else won't highlight. Maybe it might give me some documents if I log in. You know, just for shits and giggles. Let me see if I can actually find a login spot. But we found our company. It's in good standing, as you can see. It is in South Carolina, so that's definitely good. It's located where our island is located at, so that's awesome. So that's me showing you exactly how you can go in, no matter what state, no matter what city it is, you can find exactly what you want to find. I have upcoming videos showing you even more. I suggest that you go through and you register every time you have to utilize some of these places and make it easy on yourself. So, appreciate it, and that's the end of our show. Make sure you like the video, make sure you comment, make sure you text me, once again, 904-834-1113. 904-834-1113. One more pen there, just in case you get it. Okay, I'm back. And if you're still here, then evidently you're really serious about it. And if you're serious about it, you'll be reading books just like this. Yeah. We on it. We on it. We on it. Anyway, it's back. Okay, so hey, this is just for you guys. This is a letter to you guys that stick around because you're serious, and I really want you to make it. I'm making it. I have islands, phone rings in the background, big deals. We got deals going on in Mexico. Let's see if you can see it. Put it back. Okay. 904-834-1113. Text only. And join the joint venture program, and you can actually make an extra $10,000 monthly, part-time only, just by doing a few exercises. I call them millionaire exercises a day. Give us a phone call. You can do deals out of town. You can do deals in different states. You can do deals all around. You know. Only thing I can tell, and what I'm going to teach you also is what deals not to do. What deals not to do. When I first started out, let me tell you what I did. I built up my buyers. I was making deals. Deals was flowing good. And boom, I got myself in 2 deals. Those 2 deals slowed me down for months. I had to sell the properties in order to bounce back. God knows. Because the monthly mortgages were killing me. I acquired them at 50% of the ARV. However, the area had a least amount of attractive buyers. So therefore, it took longer for me to sell it. And the buyers kept falling out of financing. And God, did it hurt. So therefore, I said, you know what? After I get finished with these rehab properties here, I'm going to only sell property in very attractive areas. And for every 3 properties that I sell without putting my name on title, I'm going to acquire 1 of them to rehab or either to keep for rental. Yeah. And I'm going to even show you how to structure your deals at 100%. I come with lenders. I come with funding that I won't even speak of until you join the program. Once again, join. Text me 904-834-1113. Catch me now. I'm going to give you a great deal. I do monthly payments, and I'll be the best that you ever communicated with, and I'm going to give you open access, open door access to all the potential deals that I'm going to bring to you in your area, because I'm only working with a small bit of people in your area. And just imagine someone that comes along and do the things with you that other people you would love to work with would do, wish that they would do, and they're not going to do it. I'm going to bring contracts from attorneys that cost thousands of dollars. I'm going to bring buyers that I have took years to build relationships with. I'm going to bring strategies that I have took thousands of hours of learning and researching and reading. I'm going to, in performing as well, I'm going to teach you how to read a HUD statement so you don't get shitted on your deals, because you will get shitted on your deals. The title companies will hold money back if they see that they can shit you. I'm going to teach you how to be able to communicate with the attorneys that do not know the law in the area, and they just are blind to real estate transactions, creative financing. Anyway, that's enough. I'm off. Call me home coach. Just call me that guy.